All right, everybody, here we are. We are in El Moro. It's looking good tonight. Looking pretty sick. Okay, so I'm kind of just been nursing a broke shoulder. It's not really broken, but I've had some shoulder injuries over the years. And I hurt it the other day lifting weights. But needless to say, I just got back on the bike and happened to get on to a new rig. And this is the new rig, the Yeti SB165. Things looking dope. I haven't really set up much besides a couple little compression settings, rebound settings, air settings, and tire pressure. So we'll see how this thing rolls. We're out here in El Moro. There's a couple super low-key little trails out here. I'm not gonna name any trails this time around because got a lot of flack, and not about that. I didn't know really that it's that big of a deal out here, but I'm gonna take you down some of the sick trails out here. Actually, there's a couple. This spot's just locked and loaded with some super sick trails. So hang tight. We're gonna get you in the tech and see how this Yeti SB165 is going. Let's go. Whoop. All right, so just cruising down. Got Travis Arraza here. He's gonna be throwing down the shreds tonight. This bike's just... It always makes my bike so classic. Oh, the coil is freaking nice, dude. Dude, what the heck? For sure. All right, so getting ready to drop in on the tech. On the new, yeah. What's up, boys? Chilling. Dude, this thing chews, bro. Got more up here? Dude, the Yeti's chewing. If I would have put a coil on the Yeti, I think I would have keep it. Yeah. Because once I put a coil on this thing, I was like, Cinderianta. Oh! Tropicana! Double rolled skeet. Yup. Wait, I was gonna say. All right, so first run down on the new Yeti. Thing's looking sick. Thing's just plowing plush. What do you gotta say?
We're just, all we're gonna do is plow now. Plow time, baby. Yeah.
Travi just cleaned up his pivots on his Specialized
clips for the first time in probably, I don't know, 4 years maybe. That's good.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. All right, hang tight. We're gonna hike out of here and get on to the next trail, baby. All right, heading out to the next trail. Tiki. Yeti just eating chunks, dude. Switch infinities, that new coil over. Freaking dope, dude.
For the boys is put the GoPro on backwards and film following.
Ooh.
It's sick, dude. I'll send you a link to this video. That looks dope. We'll have to do that.
Yeah, Travis checking his bolts. He did a full pivot rebuild. Greased them up, got that creak out, things buttery, so he's just rechecking. You always want to do that whenever you go and rebuild your pivots, re-grease, ride it and then stop somewhere on the trail, get your bolts back out and check them again, because they normally like to back out right after a rebuild. It's just a weird thing. I was a mechanic for years and years, so that's just something you do. But yeah, we're about to drop into this next trail. This thing's pretty sick chunk. See how this thing, it's a little faster of a trail, but there's some steep stuff in there, so hopefully this bike just dials it in. I think we're gonna have no problem, and Travis gonna probably lead the way, and I'll just be playing follow the leader catch up with him. So anyways, hang tight. Oh, Cappy! Isn't this where we came with John Horney? Hornschlecker? Hornspecker? Hornchecker? Oh, dude, with the rebound up higher. Oh my God!
Dude, I didn't know. Somebody built a landing.
Be in for a good time? Dropping in. Oh, dude. This freaking tackleberry. Dude, the second you let go of the brakes on this bike, it just shoots. Oh. All right, little post-ride update. Dude, this bike freaking just goes to dinner, dude. It's freaking just eat. Dude, the coil, next to none. The freaking bike, slacky burger fin, dude. Stinking Tom Sawyer would have loved this bike. Anyways, dude, we're out here. We're gonna climb up Old Emerald, hook a little right, and drop into the next one. So anyways, it's gonna be dope, dude. Hang tight. This next trail is probably gonna be the last one. It'll be sick. Let's go. All right, so we're literally gonna be chasing the sun on this last descent. So if you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, because there's much more to come. But anyways, we're gonna drop in on this next one. This one's the high speed one. And yeah, watch us race the sun, baby. Anyways, till next time. Sun with Travi. Okay. Oh! Travi just going for it. Dude. Woo! Trail's running fast, dude. All right, here comes the chunkers. This is a real Chase into the sun, baby. Oh! Oh! Gotta let Travie have some room because I can't even see. Dude! Oh my gosh! I almost lost it! Oh my gosh! Wow, heartbeat is through the roof. That last shoot is freaking super rutted, dude.
Blown out.
Blown out. Almost lost it.
Woo, good times though.
Good times.
Makes it challenging.
Heck yeah. All right, guys. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. The Yeti's looking sicky.
Yeeta.
Specialized Enduro spec'd out.
We're all spec, dude. This bike, our bikes are freaking dialed.
Dialed, dude. All right, till next time.